I know where there's some, right here in the hall, clerk.
No, Molly, I have no.
One of these days.
Well, see what some alcohol can do. This looks like it had a Coke or two poured in it over the years. Something really old and gritty down in here. That's pretty badly rusted on top. It's a multi-cap. I was afraid that I'll wipe the lettering off things. Then I'll never know what they are. Well, I won't bore you with the further cleaning of this thing. I'll just do it and come back when I've got it as good as I can get it. Okay, it's coming along. Telltale signs of nicotine. Every old piece of equipment that we work on is probably going to have nicotine stains. It's because everybody used to smoke. I don't know any better way to clean this. There may be. If I'm just giving it an alcohol bath. It doesn't seem to be lifting the really heavy look up in there. That's can't tell if it's yeah, so there is, yeah, it's just something right, spilled right on the circuit board. It looks to me like I can scrape it enough to get it all off. Maybe. Boy, it's really on there. Yeah, so right here, a little shiny spot. I don't know. Yeah, right there. So that cleans up I don't know what to use that might be stronger than isopropyl alcohol, though, that won't damage anything. Well, I have a couple of cleaning solvents around. I'll see if I can find one that won't eat circuit boards. It's looking better. Not quite as disgusting as it was. I'll clean the tubes next. Okay. It's a cleaner. I can stand to touch it now. It was really gross. It's still pretty gross, but it's as clean as I'm going to get it, I think. To get any cleaner, I'd have to take all the components off the board and probably give it a really light sanding, which I don't want to do, so I'm not going to. Yeah, it's still filthy in some spots, but it's good enough for me to handle now, so I can do some preliminary testing. And it's the usual, see if the output transformer is still outputting. Check the IF coils, IF transformers to see if they're still in working order. Then retube it and try it out. I'm derusting the speaker basket as I speak, and that will have to, that's pretty nasty. The paper I discovered on the speakers, well, I'll show you that later, but the paper is really in sad shape on the speaker. But it might still work, we'll have to try it. So next is to foam out the transformer thingies.